Okay, so real quick, I just wanted to show that the new brake master cylinder has been put on. It's got the new switches, it's got the O-ring seal in the back for the brake master boost circuit, and yeah, so it's going along pretty well. A couple of suggestions would be putting the electrical plugs on there before you actually cinch it in. Also, you may want to let me get back in here and show you. So the nuts that hold it on to the brake booster, the one there for that line, it's blocked, so I would suggest go ahead and cinching up the nut behind the brake line there, and then put the brake line in, and it's kind of your choice on this particular brake line and getting that nut back there in the back. But yeah, so it's on now. It's time to go to work on getting the rest of the rubber brake lines on, putting the stainless steel on, and maybe we can get the system bled and actually have some brakes. All right, see you later.